Welcome to the deep dive. Today we're really getting into what premium means for full-size SUVs in 2025. We're focusing on a big one, the anticipated 2025 GMC Yukon Denali.
That's right.
Our info comes from a pretty detailed piece over at the Terry All Cars YouTube channel. They've laid out GMC's plan to blend, that rugged SUV capability with some serious tech and luxury.
And it's interesting because the Denali, well, it's been around since the late 90s, right? Yeah. Always stood for upscale.
Exactly. But the market's tough now. You've got the Chevy Tahoe High Country, the Jeep Grand Wagoneer.
Stiff competition.
So GMC really needs this Denali to make a statement, kind of solidify its position.
Yeah, and their strategy here is, well, it's smart. It's a mid-cycle refresh, not a ground-up redesign.
Meaning they can react faster.
Precisely. Integrate the latest stuff quickly.
Yeah.
It's more about refining that distinct Denali identity, not starting over.
So what does that look like on the outside? Subtle changes?
Subtle, but, impactful. Expect a more confident look. That signature Denali grille. Probably getting, more intricate mesh, bolder chrome.
Okay.
And we're anticipating slimmer, maybe more angular LED headlights, redesigned taillights too, with a new LED signature.
Little details that add up.
Totally. Even things like exclusive wheel designs, maybe some advanced lighting effects, like animated sequences when you unlock it. It amps up that premium feel before you even open the door.
Right. Keeps it feeling fresh and definitely Denali. But okay, for a lot of people, the heart is under the hood. What's happening with power and efficiency?
Yeah, that balance is key for Denali buyers. The enhanced 6.2-liter V8, that's a Denali staple, right?
Yeah.
It's expected to offer a bit more power, more torque, but also hopefully better fuel economy.
Always a challenge with these big guys.
It is. And the 3.0-liter Duramax diesel, great for towing and efficiency. That'll likely stick around, maybe with some tweaks for better performance.
And the transmission, still the 10-speed.
Looks like it. That smooth shifting 10-speed automatic should remain standard. Helps optimize the power delivery. And interestingly, the source speculates about GM's Super Cruise.
The hands-free driving tech.
Exactly. That would be a huge leap for, long highway drives. Big comfort factor.
Oh, yeah, Super Cruise. You can just imagine that on a road trip. Makes things way more relaxed. Now, moving inside. Because when we talk premium, the cabin experience is often, everything. What's the plan there?
Okay, yeah, this seems to be a major focus. They're really aiming to elevate the interior.
How so?
Expects much higher quality materials all around. Think supple leather, real wood trim, nice brushed metal accents, sophisticated stuff.
Getting serious about materials then.
Definitely. And the dashboard, the center console, likely redesigned, more modern, more ergonomic, so everything feels, intuitive.
Makes sense. What about screens? Bigger.
Oh yeah. We're talking a larger, more responsive touchscreen for the infotainment, a fully digital instrument cluster behind the wheel. Plus, enhanced comfort, things like massage functions, better ventilated seats, adjustable lumbar support. Even the rear seat entertainment is getting an upgrade. Bigger screens, better connectivity.
So really focusing on passenger comfort, too.
And there's talk of an optional executive seating configuration. 2 individual rear seats, like captain's chairs, with their own center console.
Oh, interesting. Like a private jet feel, almost.
Kind of. It really shifts the focus from just hauling people to creating a bespoke luxury space back there. Directly challenges competitors on that front.
That sounds like a genuine step up. Moving beyond just nice leather to a properly integrated smart cabin. What about the other tech? The connectivity, the driver aids.
Right, it'll be packed. Expect an enhanced version of Google built in. So you can get Google Assistant, Maps, all that familiar stuff right in the dash. Seamless.
Convenient.
And beyond the potential Super Cruise, there are whispers of improved trailering tech. Trailer blind spot monitoring, tire pressure monitoring for the trailer, making towing less stressful.
Always good.
Advanced parking assist could be in the mix, for tight spots. And of course, the full suite of advanced safety features automatic emergency braking, lane keeping, adaptive cruise. That's pretty much standard expectation now.
Peace of mind for you and the family.
Absolutely. So tying it all together, the 2025 Yukon Denali is clearly aiming high. It wants to be that standout premium full-size SUV with the luxury, the capability, and the cutting-edge tech.
Sounds like a strong package.
It does. GMC wants to pull in new buyers, reinforce that premium brand image. But we have to remember this segment is incredibly competitive.
Yeah.
Fuel economy is always a factor with big vehicles, sure. But ultimately, its success will depend on delivering real value. Do all these features add up to something that feels genuinely worth the price tag for you the buyer.
Yeah, it's that constant balancing act, isn't it? Innovation versus market reality. So thinking about that, as these premium SUVs like the Denali keep pushing the boundaries of luxury and tech, and here, how do future models balance all that relentless innovation, screens, and fancy seats, with the fundamental rugged capability that made these vehicles popular in the first place? Where's that balance point going forward? Something to consider as these road giants keep evolving.
Okay, let's unpack this. You know how the GMC Yukon Denali, it's always had this reputation, right? Blending premium comfort with real rugged capability.
Definitely.
Well, we're diving deep today into the highly anticipated 2025 model. And this isn't just, adding a few fancy gadgets.
No, not at all.
It seems poised to really elevate its standing through just a massive integration of cutting-edge tech.
Right.
So our mission today really is to give you a shortcut. A way to understand how it aims to offer this, seamless and intuitive tech ecosystem. Something that enhances pretty much every part of your driving experience.
Yeah.
We'll look at infotainment, connectivity, driver assist stuff, personalization, and some genuinely innovative features too.
And what's really fascinating here, I think, to understand this leap, you kind of have to look underneath at the architecture.
Okay.
The 2025 Yukon Denali, it's expected to use GM's Global B electrical architecture.
Global B. Right, heard about that.
Yeah, think of it like the vehicle's high-speed nervous system and its brain, really. This foundation, it's crucial because it enables things like over-the-air software updates.
Ah, so the car gets better over time.
Yeah.
Like your phone.
Exactly like your phone. Plus, faster data processing, enhanced cybersecurity. It basically powers all the heavy lifting, the processors, the algorithms, interpreting all that sensor data, controlling the systems.
Gotcha. So it's not just the features you see, but the intelligence behind them.
Yeah.
And the ability for it to evolve. Okay, so with that powerful foundation, let's talk about how you experience it. The infotainment system must be key.
Oh, absolutely. It's the command center.
It's set to be the centerpiece, right? With this ultra-wide touchscreen display. Probably, at least 15 inches diagonally?
Really, yeah. Offering really crisp visuals and a deeply customizable interface.
And it'll have that enhanced Google built-in system.
Yeah.
For seamless Google Assistant, Maps, Play Store access.
Plus natural language voice control. You just talk to it.
Nice. And of course, wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Please say yes.
Yes, definitely. And wireless is standard now, pretty much. Along with a built-in Wi-Fi hotspot, plenty of USB ports, and expect a premium audio system too. Bose, maybe Bang & Olufsen, with noise cancellation.
Okay, premium sound, big screen, seamless phone connection. Sounds good inside. But what about on the road? Safety, convenience.
Yeah, so connecting this back to that processing power and connectivity, it massively enhances safety and convenience. The 2025 Denali will have a really comprehensive suite of advanced driver assistance systems.
Like a guardian angel, you're saying?
Sort of, yeah. Think enhanced automatic emergency braking. It can detect vehicles, sure, but also pedestrians, cyclists, even at night. That's a huge safety net.
Definitely.
And for commuting, adaptive cruise control with stop and go. It doesn't just hold your speed, it handles the stop and go traffic for you. Speeds up, slows down, really reduces driver fatigue.
Well, that's huge for traffic jams.
It is. Plus, lane keeping assist to nudge you back if you drift, blind spot monitoring for lane changes, all valuable stuff.
That whole ADS package sounds incredibly reassuring. But is there anything that really changes the driving experience itself? Fundamentally?
Well, the potential game changer, if it's offered on the Denali trim, is GM's Super Cruise.
The hands-free system.
Exactly. Hands-free driving on pre-approved highways. It uses cameras, sensors, GPS data to keep you centered, maintain distance. Imagine that on a long road trip.
Yeah, that could be transformative. Less fatigue, for sure.
Yeah.
And you mentioned towing. Any tech help there?
There's potential, yeah, for trailer-specific ADS features designed specifically to make towing safer and easier. That's a big deal for Yukon buyers.
Okay, now this much tech, it also opens doors for personalization, right? Making it your Denali.
Absolutely. Deep customization. Driver profiles, for instance, that remember your seat position, climate settings, even your infotainment layout. A customizable digital instrument cluster, too, so you see the info you care about. And even ambient lighting to kind of set the mood.
Okay, mood lighting is cool.
Yeah.
But you mentioned innovative features earlier, pushing boundaries.
Yeah, we could potentially see things like biometric authentication.
Like fingerprint scanners or facial recognition.
Exactly, to unlock the doors, maybe even start the engine.
Whoa. That's futuristic. Which brings up a point, though. With features like biometrics, what about things like complexity, reliability, or data privacy? That seems important for you, the driver, to consider.
That's a really crucial question because yes, these features offer amazing convenience, but you absolutely have to think about how much data is being collected, where it's going, how it's secured.
Right.
Balancing that cutting edge tech with really robust privacy protocols, that's going to be key for GM and others.
Makes sense. Any other boundary pushing tech we might see?
Well, there's talk of a head-up display, but with augmented reality, AR HUD.
Augmented reality, how does that work?
Imagine navigation arrows, or maybe safety alerts, projected directly onto the windshield, looking like they're actually on the road ahead of you.
Wow, so it overlays info onto the real world.
Precisely. The idea is to keep your eyes up, focused on driving. Another advanced possibility, air ride adaptive suspension, but with predictive tech, scanning the road ahead with cameras or sensors and proactively adjusting the suspension before you hit bumps for optimal comfort.
Okay, predictive suspension, AR displays, biometrics. This is serious tech. So wrapping this up, what does this all mean for you listening? The 2025 GMC Yukon Denali, it really is shaping up to be a technological tour de force, isn't it? Setting a new benchmark for innovation in this full-size SUV space.
Yeah, absolutely. And if we connect this to the bigger picture, it just demonstrates how profoundly technology can enhance safety, convenience, and frankly, the overall enjoyment of driving. The 2025 Yukon Denali seems poised to be more than just a premium SUV. It's aiming to be a connected, intelligent, really technologically advanced machine designed for